in this next lesson, we're going to go ahead and remove some blemishes and take care of the background. I'm going to zoom into this gentleman's forehead, which is some blemish right here. And choosing the blur tool, we can simply blur out these blemishes. This is one way of doing it. Here's a blemish right here in this spot. And I can choose the healing brush. If I hold down the Alt key and release, I can click and change that blemish. Now in terms of his eyes, I could make his eyes a little bluer. If I choose the sponge tool, which would saturate, and just click over the eye area a little bit, you see it would make his eyes bluer. Now there's also a little red in there. And with that red, I can easily choose the color replacement tool. And I'm going to replace his eyes with a nice blue. That could be a little generic, so you got to be careful of the type of blue that you use. It's got to be a very soft blue. And I could also control the tolerance. There you go. There you go. Very blue. And I could also make it very small. Very small brush, and change this to black. Give it a couple clicks. A couple clicks to enhance it. I'm going to view, fit on screen. You also see that there's a lot of dust that's on the scanner. You can easily blur out the dust if you wish, or you can go to filter, choose dust and scratches. Filter, noise, dust and scratches. And as you see, I can actually increase the radius and the threshold and click OK, and you see a lot of those spots are now gone. His eyes are a little bit blue, but again, we could always work with that. Now there is another tool. Could use the dodge tool and zoom in, and using the dodge tool I can actually clean up the white in the teeth. Gotta be very careful because you could overexpose the area. A little bit better, as you see. And there you go. That's for blemish removal.